Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, thanks my Almighty Allah. How are you all? I hope all are very excellent. Alhamdulillah, I'm very well.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your name?
My name is Abdul Qadir.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Abu Kalam.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mahmuda.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 4.
Okay. What's your madrasa name?
My madrasa name is Janatul Wades Adarsh Madrasa.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Okay, mashallah. What's your village name?
My village name is Shukipur.
What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
Okay, mashallah.